Ready to change the way you ride? The best folding electric bikes can transform how you travel, offering insane power, speed, and comfort, whether you're cruising around the city or tackling tough trails. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Top Picks Today. In today's video, we're revealing the top 7 best folding electric bikes that excel in speed, comfort, and range. These bikes aren't just easy to store. They're built for smooth rides, adventure exploration, and endless fun. With standout features like compact folding designs, powerful motors, and long battery life, these e-bikes will redefine how you ride. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 7. Jassian X Hunter. Starting our list at number 7, the Jassian X Hunter, a rugged and powerful electric bike designed for adventurers who love to explore any terrain. Powered by a 750-watt brushless motor with a peak power of 1400 watts and a torque of 85 Newton meters, this electric bike can easily reach a top speed of 30 miles per hour, making it ideal for beach rides, mountain trails, snowy paths, or urban streets. Whether you're commuting or off-roading, the X Hunter ensures a smooth and exhilarating ride. The X Hunter also boasts an upgraded 48-volt 13-amp-hour lithium-ion battery, delivering an impressive range of 55 to 70 miles on a full charge. The removable battery design makes charging convenient, while the dust-proof and damp-proof features guarantee the longevity and safety of the battery. Equipped with a full suspension system, the Jassian X Hunter features an air-front suspension with 80 millimeters of travel, which absorbs bumps and uneven terrain with ease. The rear suspension further enhances comfort by absorbing additional pressure, making outdoor cycling a pleasant experience even on rough roads. One of the standout features of this bike is its foldable design. Weighing just 71 pounds, the X Hunter can be easily folded for compact storage, making it perfect for those with limited space or for taking on the go. Whether you're storing it in the trunk of your car or taking it on public transportation, this electric bike is ready for any adventure. For a customizable riding experience, the Jasion X Hunter includes an intuitive LCD display that shows speed, battery charge, pedal assist level, and travel distance. With 3 riding modes and a 7-speed system, you can adjust your ride to your preferences. The front and rear mechanical disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, while the bright headlight and adjustable rear light ensure you're seen and safe, even at night. With a sturdy aluminum frame, 20 by 4-inch fat tires, and a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, the Jassian X Hunter is built to tackle any challenge you throw its way, whether you're riding on sand, snow, or city streets. If you're looking for an electric bike that combines performance, comfort, and convenience, the Jassian X Hunter is an excellent choice. Number 6. ACTBEST Knight. In the 6th position comes the ACTBEST Knight, a versatile and powerful folding electric bike designed for both comfort and performance. Powered by a 750-watt motor with a peak output of 1,000 watts, the Knight reaches speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it perfect for various terrains and outdoor adventures. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling inclines of over 35 degrees, this bike's 3 riding modes, manual, pedal-assisted, and pure electric, provide the flexibility to adapt to any environment. Equipped with a 48-volt 13.5-amp-hour detachable battery, the ACTBEST Knight offers a maximum range of up to 70 miles on a full charge. The built-in intelligent battery management system ensures safety and energy efficiency, while the 3-amp fast-charging technology reduces the charging time to just 3 to 5 hours, allowing you to get back on the road quickly and enjoy more riding time. The Knight's high-strength aluminum alloy frame is designed to support up to 350 pounds, providing a sturdy and stable ride. The 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires offer excellent traction and shock absorption, making it ideal for riding on sand, snow, gravel, or pavement. The bike's heavy-duty rear rack is also perfect for carrying additional gear, making it suitable for family use, commuting, camping, or weekend adventures. Its foldable, step-through design ensures easy portability and convenient storage, fitting easily in the trunk of your car or in your recreational vehicle. The adjustable seat makes it suitable for riders of different heights, ensuring comfort and reducing strain on your back and hips. The intuitive large LCD display provides real-time information on speed, battery level, and pedal assist settings, allowing you to easily monitor your ride. The control panel lets you switch between the 3 riding modes and 5 speed levels effortlessly. Coupled with front suspension and integrated front and rear lights, the ACTBEST Knight enhances your overall riding experience by improving stability, safety, and visibility, especially when riding at night. With its combination of power, durability, and convenience, the ACTBEST Knight is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient electric bike for daily commuting or outdoor adventures. Number 5. Heyike Ranger S. In the 5th position comes the Heyike Ranger S, a smart and stylish folding electric bike built for both performance and practicality. Equipped with a robust 750-watt brushless geared motor with a peak power of 1400 watts, the Ranger S effortlessly climbs 30-degree slopes and reaches a top speed of 28 miles per hour, making it ideal for city commutes, outdoor adventures, or weekend getaways. With a torque of 99 Newton meters, it delivers powerful acceleration and climbing capability across diverse terrains. It comes with a 48-volt, 14.4 amp-hour removable battery, offering a range of up to 55 miles on a single charge. Thanks to the upgraded 4-amp fast-charging technology, you can fully recharge in just 3 to 4 hours, spending less time plugged in and more time enjoying the ride. Built with a high-strength aluminum alloy frame, this electric bike supports up to 400 pounds with a heavy-duty rear rack that's perfect for carrying gear, groceries, or camping supplies. The 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires provide excellent grip and stability, allowing smooth rides on pavement, gravel, sand, or snow. Its foldable and step-through design ensures ease of transport and storage, while also making it accessible for riders of all ages and abilities. What really sets the Ranger S apart is its smart technology. With the Heyike mobile application, you can enable features like anti-theft, auto-lock and unlock, personalized settings, and real-time ride statistics. Whether you're locking your bike automatically or checking battery levels, the app helps keep your ride safe and customized to your needs. The intuitive LCD display shows all the essentials: speed, battery status, pedal assist level, and more, while the control panel allows you to switch between 4 working modes and 5 speed levels on the go. For visibility and safety, the Ranger S includes smart lights that automatically activate in low light conditions, as well as upgraded front and rear turn signals. The brake light intensifies as you stop, alerting nearby vehicles and adding an extra layer of protection during nighttime rides. With its sleek design, smart features, and powerful performance, the Heyike Ranger S is an excellent choice for riders who want an efficient electric bike that can handle it all. Number 4. Bircha R5 Pro. In the 4th position comes the Bircha R5 Pro, a powerhouse folding electric bike designed for thrill seekers and everyday commuters alike. With a 750-watt brushless geared hub motor with a peak power of 1,000 watts and up to 90 Newton meters of torque, the R5 Pro reaches speeds over 30 miles per hour and easily conquers rugged terrain or steep hills, making every ride smooth and exciting. With a maximum load capacity of 400 pounds, it's built to support both rider and gear with confidence. This long-range electric bike features a massive 48-volt, 20-amp-hour removable lithium battery that offers up to 50 miles on pure electric mode and over 75 miles with pedal assist on flat roads. Paired with a 3-amp fast charger, you'll spend less time charging and more time exploring. The removable battery design adds convenience, allowing for charging anywhere. What sets the R5 Pro apart is its dual suspension system, an adjustable front hydraulic lockout fork, and a rear shock absorber, combined with 26-inch by 4-inch puncture-resistant fat tires. Whether you're riding down stairs, cruising through gravel, or venturing off-road, this bike ensures a stable, comfortable experience. Safety is also a priority, with dual 160mm hydraulic disc brakes offering reliable stopping power in any condition. The integrated headlight and taillight with turn signals improve visibility for night rides or low-light conditions. With 5 working modes, e-bike, assisted, normal, cruise control, and walk booster, and a Shimano 7-speed gear system, the R5 Pro adapts to your needs. The intelligent LCD display shows real-time stats like speed, mileage, battery level, and pedal assist level. Plus, a built-in USB port allows you to charge your phone on the go. This bike arrives 95% pre-assembled and includes premium accessories like a phone mount, mirrors, lock, and pump. With a 1-year warranty on the motor, battery, and charger, and lifetime technical support, you can ride with confidence and convenience. Number 3. Ebike K6F. In the third position comes the Ebike K6F, a powerful and rugged folding electric bike built for performance, comfort, and versatility. Featuring a 1,000-watt brushless motor with a peak output of 2,000 watts and 90 Newton-meters of torque, this electric bike reaches speeds up to 35 miles per hour and effortlessly conquers gradients up to 35 degrees, making it ideal for daily commutes or tackling the toughest terrain. Equipped with a massive 48-volt 25-amp-hour lithium-ion battery, the K6F delivers an impressive range, up to 70 miles on pure electric power and up to 100 miles with pedal assist on flat roads. The battery supports both on-bike and removable charging and fully recharges in just 3 to 4 hours, minimizing downtime and maximizing your adventure. Designed with enhanced stability in mind, this bike features dual suspension, including a hydraulic fork and shock-absorbing seat tube, which together reduce vibrations and bumps for a smoother ride. The 20-inch by 4-inch puncture-resistant fat tires made of durable rubber ensure excellent grip and comfort across diverse terrains, from snow and sand to gravel and rocky roads. With a maximum load capacity of 400 pounds, the Ebike K6F is built to handle both rider and gear with ease. Safety is prioritized with front and rear hydraulic disc brakes that offer rapid, precise stopping power in all riding conditions. The brakes also include a power-off function that activates instantly for added control. Built with a lightweight yet durable magnesium alloy frame, the Ebike K6F folds easily for storage in your car trunk or small spaces. The foldable design and integrated rear rack make this bike highly practical for errands, travel, or recreation. A multifunctional LCD display keeps you informed with real-time data such as speed, battery life, mileage, and power assist level. With 3 ride modes, electric, pedal assist, and sports, you can tailor your ride to your needs and preferences. Plus, the display includes a USB charging port for added convenience on the go. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails, the Ebike K6F delivers power, range, and reliability in one sleek, foldable package. Number 2. TT e-bike. In the second position comes the TT e-bike, a robust and versatile electric bike designed to conquer any terrain. Powered by dual 1,500-watt high-speed brushless motors, this bike delivers an impressive 3,000 watts of peak power, offering unparalleled strength and climbing capabilities. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour, it's perfect for snowy terrains, beaches, mountain trails, and urban roads alike. The bike features a powerful 52-volt, 23-ampere-hour lithium battery, providing an extended range of up to 70 miles in pedal assist mode with a single motor or 50 miles with dual motors. Its removable design with a key lock adds security and convenience, making charging and storage hassle-free. Designed for rugged adventures, the TT e-bike is equipped with a dual suspension system, including a front suspension fork and a rear shock absorber, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride while reducing joint impact. The front and rear dual-disc brakes provide reliable stopping power for enhanced safety, no matter the terrain. The 26-inch wheels with 4-inch fat tires are paired with a professional shim 7-speed transmission system, offering excellent grip and control across various surfaces, from snow and sand to gravel and rugged trails. This folding electric bike combines portability with durability, making it ideal for riders seeking adventure and convenience. Complete with a high-quality 6061 aluminum alloy frame, the TT e-bike is built to last. It features a 600-lumen LED headlight and taillight for improved visibility during night rides, along with an LCD smart display that shows real-time data like speed, mileage, and battery level. Additional accessories include a phone holder, rear rack, mudguards, and an adjustable seat to enhance your riding experience. For riders looking for a high-performance electric bike capable of tackling diverse terrains with ease, the TT e-bike stands out as a reliable and powerful option. Number 1. Walke H9 All-Wheel Drive. Winning the top spot as a luxury option, the Walke H9 All-Wheel Drive, a high-performance electric bike designed for speed, power, and versatility. Powered by dual 2,000-watt hub motors, this e-bike achieves a peak power of 3,200 watts, delivering 190 Newton-meters of torque for incredible acceleration and a top speed of 31 to 34 miles per hour. It effortlessly conquers 40-degree slopes. With its 48-volt, 82-amp-hour lithium-ion battery, the H9 all-wheel drive offers an ultra-long range of 160 to 240 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions. The waterproof, removable battery features a built-in lock for added security, ensuring protection against theft and the elements. Say goodbye to range anxiety and enjoy worry-free exploration. This folding electric bike is equipped with puncture-resistant 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires and a professional Shimano 7-speed transmission system, making it perfect for challenging terrains. The aluminum frame is designed to support riders up to 400 pounds, providing a safe and sturdy ride. The bike also features a well-built rear rack with excellent load capacity, ideal for carrying cargo and groceries. The smart LCD display keeps you informed with real-time data on battery level, speed, distance, and riding mode, while the USB port allows you to charge your phone on the go. With 5 riding modes: throttle, pedal assist, walking mode, and single dual drive modes. You can effortlessly switch between long-distance travel and exercise. For a smooth and comfortable ride, the H9 all-wheel drive is equipped with a lockable hydraulic suspension and aluminum rear shock, designed to absorb shocks and smooth out rough terrain. Combined with 4-piston 203mm hydraulic disc brakes, this e-bike provides powerful and reliable stopping power, ensuring a safe ride. The Walke H9 all-wheel drive is 85% pre-assembled, making setup quick and easy. It comes with a 1-year warranty that covers free replacement parts and lifetime technical support. Additionally, the bike comes with a cycling kit that includes a bag, rear rack basket, and bike mirrors, making it the perfect package for adventure seekers. And that wraps up our list of the top 7 best folding electric bikes. Whether you're looking for a compact ride that's easy to store, a powerful bike for your daily commute, or an e-bike for exciting adventures and exploring new trails, these folding electric bikes offer unbeatable performance, convenience, and fun. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment to support the channel, and stay tuned to Top Picks Today for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.